Hello, so my name is Hamia Islam. So today I've picked a data set and we're going to discuss some of the issues and everything in the data set. So basically in our data set, there is 565 rows and 11 columns. So I'm going to describe the columns and their data types. So basically there are some columns like brand name, there is device type, there is model name, and there is color, which are categorical data type. And then there is selling price and original price, which are objects. Then there is display, which is also categorical data type. Then there is rating, which is a numerical float data type. And then there is average strap material, which is categorical again. And then average battery life, which is again numerical integer. And the reviews, which are again an object. So through initial observation, we have seen there are some columns like rating and reviews which have some missing values. And then there are some columns like selling prices and original prices, which are stored as strings with commas, which could be a problem. So we need to clean that up for analysis. Then there is potential relationships to explore like battery life versus price and display type and ratings. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate some of the issues. So for the issues, I'm going to first load my data, which you can see in my screen that I've already tried to import the data. I'm going to run it now. Okay, yeah. So you can see I've loaded the data and now I'm going to just inspect the data set. Okay, so you can see there are some missing values. Now I'm going to say another issue that we have seen, which is duplicate values. So I'm gonna see which how many duplicate values there are. So you can see now in the console, you can see there are how many duplicated values there are. I think that's about it. And I'm gonna let my friends present the other issues and the graphical analysis. Thank you.
Okay, hello. My name is Riyad Usman, and I'll be talking about some other issues like the inconsistent data types. We have the selling price and the original price, which contains commas and also should be converted to numeric for accurate analysis. I will also have the outliers in ratings, which also some products have like usually low ratings, so which may skew the average rating calculations. And I'll also talk about the mean, median, and mode, which is I can talk about mean, medians, or mode. So for the mean, which is the average price and rating across all devices, I can run the code here. Median and mode, I can first talk about the mean, which is the average price and rating across all devices. And let me run the code here. Yeah, which is that. And also the median, which is the middle value that separates the higher and the lower halves. And I can run the code also. Here it says 15995. And lastly, I can talk about the mode, which is the most frequent occurring pricing. Also run the code here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Brighton, and I'm gonna explain all about the graphical distribution, the statistical graphical distribution. So first, what I did is load the libraries because the video might be a bit long, so we had to load the libraries way earlier. So after loading the libraries, then I'm gonna proceed to talk about the histogram. So basically, the we try to plot the histogram about the distribution of selling prices of the smartwatches. And when we run it, give me a sec. Okay, so as we can see here, this is the distribution of selling prices, and against we could see how many devices have sold more than others in this case scenario. Then after that, we also made a box plot, sorry, a bar chart. And for the bar chart, we use this code right here. And for the first one, we tried to change the we tried to plot it against the device type and the ratings. So what we did, we created like an average rating of each device. After that, through this code right here, that's where we can generate the the bar chart. So after I run the code, we can see here, this is the average ratings against device type. This will help consumers to know which device types have the highest rating according to compared to others. Like here, you can see the smartwatch. Also, for the last graphical chart, we can see is the box plot. So for this one, after I run the code, you can see this one, we could see the median, we could show the distribution ratings for each device type for this box plot. And for the box plot, as you can see here, this one shows the distribution by summarizing the median, the quartiles, and the potential outliers for the device type and device ratings as well. Yeah, thank you.